This is the electric field of a point charge interactive calculator, which computes electric field strength, forces, and potentials for point charges. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate electric field E, calculate force on test charge F, calculate source charge Q, calculate distance R, calculate test charge Q, and calculate electric potential V. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Electric Field. There are 5 input fields: source charge Q in microcoulombs, distance R in meters, test charge Q in nanocoulombs, electric field E in kilonewtons per coulomb, and force F in millinewtons. Let's work through an example. I'll enter a source charge Q of 5.2 microcoulombs, distance R of 0.35 meters, and test charge Q of 1.8 nanocoulombs. After clicking Calculate, the results show electric field E equals 381.521 kilonewtons per coulomb and electric potential Vi equals 133.53 kilovolts. The calculator confirms that the field points radially away from the source charge, which is expected for a positive charge, creating an outward electric field pattern. This tool streamlines point charge calculations for circuit design and electrostatic analysis. Find the link in the description below.